A great kitchen doesn't become powerful because it looks good. It becomes powerful when the right tools save time, reduce mess, and make every task effortless. In 2026, smart kitchen gadgets aren't just nice extras. They're daily problem solvers that help you cook faster, cleaner, and smarter, even if you don't love cooking. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 smart kitchen gadgets that actually make a difference in real homes. These aren't gimmicks. These are tools people use every single day. All product links with the best current US deals are in the description below. Stay until the end because I'll tell you which one gives the best overall value for most kitchens. Let's get started.
Number 6. Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer. Best for food storage and meal prep. If you throw away food more often than you'd like, this gadget pays for itself fast. The Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer is designed to lock in freshness, reduce freezer burn, and extend food life dramatically. Meats, vegetables, leftovers, everything stays fresh longer with strong, consistent suction. It's compact, easy to store, and comes with reusable vacuum bags, making it ideal for meal prep, freezer storage, and sous vide cooking. Unlike bulky sealers, this one fits naturally into modern kitchens without taking over counter space. For busy households trying to save money and reduce waste, this is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Check today's deal on the Chef Preserve Sealer in the description. Number 5. Mueller 10-in-1 Pro Vegetable Chopper. Best for maximum versatility. This is not just a chopper, it's a full prep system. The Mueller 10-in-1 Pro Chopper replaces multiple kitchen tools with one compact design. It slices, dices, chops, grates, juliennes, and more, using interchangeable stainless steel blades that stay sharp over time. The large container keeps everything mess-free, while the ergonomic design reduces hand strain during prep. This is especially useful for families, meal preppers, or anyone cooking in batches. Trusted since 2013, this model has built a reputation for durability and reliability in American kitchens. If you want one tool to do almost everything, this one is linked below. Number 4. Tren Plain Olive Oil Sprayer. Best for healthier cooking. If you're serious about healthier cooking, oil control matters. The Tren Plain Oil Sprayer gives you full control over how much oil you use, whether you're cooking on a pan, grill, salad, or air fryer. Instead of pouring too much oil, it delivers a fine, even mist every time. The durable glass bottle is easy to refill, and the dual sprayer dispenser design makes it far more versatile than basic oil bottles. It's simple, clean, and surprisingly effective at reducing excess calories. This is one of those tools that quietly improves every meal. Grab the Tren Plain Sprayer from the link below. Number 3. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Best for precision and modern style. Once you use electric grinders, manual ones feel outdated. This automatic grinder set offers adjustable coarseness, one-hand operation, and built-in LED lighting so you season accurately every time, even in low light. The battery-powered design makes them effortless to use, while the sleek modern look upgrades your kitchen instantly. Whether you're cooking daily meals or hosting guests, these grinders add speed, precision, and style. It's a small upgrade that makes cooking feel smoother and more professional. Top-rated electric grinder set is linked below.
Number 2. Zool Silicone Utensil Rest. Best small upgrade with big impact. This might look simple, but it solves a daily problem. The Zool Silicone Utensil Rest holds multiple utensils at once, keeping your stovetop clean while you cook. No more sauce strips, oil stains, or messy counters. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it's safe for hot utensils and won't slide around thanks to its non-slip base. It's easy to clean and surprisingly satisfying to use. For busy kitchens, this is a no-brainer. Affordable, practical, and linked in the description. Number 1. Fullstar 4-in-1 Pro Chopper. Best overall smart kitchen gadget. The Fullstar 4-in-1 Pro Chopper earns the top spot because it delivers speed, cleanliness, and consistency in one compact tool. With interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, and spiralizing, it turns time-consuming prep into a quick, clean process. The built-in container keeps your counter mess-free, while the stainless steel blades stay sharp and reliable. From onions to zucchini, everything comes out even and ready to cook. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for weeknight meals or big prep sessions. For most homes, this is the gadget that gets used the most and delivers the most value. Best deal on the Full Star Pro Chopper is in the description below. If you want one gadget that delivers the best balance of value, performance, and daily usefulness, the Mueller 10-in-1 Pro Chopper stands out as the smartest all-around choice. It replaces multiple tools, saves time, and handles almost every prep task with ease. Thanks for watching this breakdown of the top 6 smart kitchen gadgets that actually improve everyday cooking. All product links with the best US deals are in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more smart kitchen and home upgrades, and I'll see you in the next one.